Welcome to the comprehensive review of premium business credit cards in the year 2026, where we are going to tackle the most pressing question on every entrepreneur's mind, which is whether these high annual fees are actually worth the investment or if they are just expensive status symbols that drain your company budget. As we navigate the financial landscape of 2026, we have seen annual fees climb higher than ever before, with some cards now pushing towards the $700 or even $1,000 mark. And for a small business owner watching their bottom line, this sticker shock can be a major deterrent. However, the savvy business owner knows that the upfront cost is irrelevant if the return on investment is positive. So today, we are going to break down the math, the perks, and the hidden value of the top contenders in the premium market to see if they truly earn their place in your wallet. Let us start with the heavyweight champion that everyone knows, which is the American Express Business Platinum Card. In 2026, this card remains the most expensive and feature-rich option on the market, carrying an annual fee that might make you wince. But you must look past the fee to the credits. Amex has doubled down on what we call the coupon book strategy, meaning they give you a high fee but they offset it with a laundry list of statement credits for things like Dell Technologies, wireless telephone providers, airline incidentals, and Indeed recruiting services. If your business naturally spends money in these categories, then the effective annual fee of the card can drop to near zero or even become profitable. For example, if you are already paying for Adobe software or buying laptops for your team, the credits essentially subsidize those costs. However, the real value of the Business Platinum is not just in the credits, it is in the lifestyle benefits, particularly for the frequent traveler. Access to the Centurion Lounge network is still the gold standard in 2026, providing a sanctuary of quiet, good food, and premium cocktails in the middle of chaotic airports. If you travel just 10 times a year and you value a meal and a drink and a workspace at $50 per visit, that is $500 of value right there. Additionally, the card grants you gold status with Marriott and Hilton, which can lead to room upgrades and late checkouts that make business trips significantly more comfortable. But the Amex Platinum is not without its flaws. The earning rate is relatively weak for general spending, earning only 1 point per dollar on most purchases, which means it is a terrible card for your daily operations unless you are booking flights, where it earns 5 points per dollar. This makes it a card you hold for the perks, but not necessarily for the spending. Now let us pivot to the disruptor that has been stealing market share, which is the Capital One Venture X Business. In 2026, this card continues to be the most logical choice for the pragmatic business owner. The annual fee is significantly lower than Amex, usually sitting in the mid-tier range, but it offers a flat unlimited 2 miles per dollar on every single purchase, with no caps and no categories to track. This simplicity is incredibly valuable for a busy founder who does not want to juggle 5 different cards. Financially, the Venture X Business is almost impossible to lose money on because it typically offers a $300 annual travel credit that can be used for flights or hotels booked through their portal, plus an anniversary bonus of 10,000 miles, which is worth at least $100. If you add those two things together, you have already covered the annual fee before you even use the other benefits. Capital One has also aggressively expanded their own lounge network, which competes directly with Amex, offering high-quality food and amenities. So if you are based in a hub with the Capital One Lounge, the value proposition is massive. Another critical aspect of the premium card debate is the insurance and protection they offer, which is often overlooked until disaster strikes. Premium cards like the Chase Sapphire Reserve, if you pair it with a business strategy, or the Amex Platinum, come with robust trip cancellation and interruption insurance. In 2026, where flight delays and cancellations are unfortunately common due to weather and system outages. Having a card that will reimburse you for a hotel room and meals when you are stranded is invaluable. They also offer purchase protection, which covers your new equipment against theft or accidental damage for a certain period after purchase. Imagine buying a new $3,000 MacBook Pro for your business and dropping it the next day. A premium card will likely replace it for free, whereas a standard no-fee card would leave you paying out of pocket. This sleep well at night factor is a hidden part of the annual fee that is hard to quantify on a spreadsheet, but essential for peace of mind. Let us talk about the Chase ecosystem, which is often the preferred route for those who want maximum point value. While Chase does not have a single super premium business card that costs $700, the combination of the Ink Business Preferred with a personal Sapphire Reserve acts as a premium setup. The ability to transfer points to Hyatt for outsized value is the killer feature here. While Amex and Capital One rely on airline partners, which can be tricky to find availability for, Chase's relationship with Hyatt allows you to book standard rooms at luxury hotels with high reliability. For a business owner who attends conferences or meets clients in major cities, this can save thousands of dollars a year in lodging costs, overshadowing any annual fee you might pay. We must also address the concept of opportunity cost. If you are paying a $700 annual fee, you need to be sure that the points you are earning are worth more than just using a simple 2% cash back card. Cash is king for many small businesses, and liquidity is vital. So if you are collecting millions of points but never have the time to redeem them for business class flights, then you are essentially giving the bank an interest-free loan and paying a fee for the privilege. Premium cards are only worth it if you are a redeemer, meaning you actively plan your travel to use the points for high-value flights and hotels. If you are the type of person who just books the cheapest economy flight on a discount travel site, then a premium card is likely a waste of money for you. In 2026, we are also seeing a trend of soft benefits becoming more important. Things like access to exclusive reservations platforms, concierge services that can actually get things done, and invitations to private events. For a certain type of business owner, these networking opportunities and status signals are worth the price of admission alone. However, for the vast majority of us, it comes down to the math of the effective annual fee. To calculate this for yourself, take the full annual fee and subtract the dollar value of the credits you will 100% use. Do not count the credits that are a stretch. For example, if there is a $100 credit for a subscription you do not want, that value is zero. Subtract the usable credits from the fee and see what number you are left with. If the remaining number is, say, $200, ask yourself if the lounge access, the insurance, and the higher point earning capabilities are worth $200 a year to you. For most frequent travelers, the answer is a resounding yes. But for a local business owner who rarely flies, the answer is likely no. Another factor to consider in 2026 is the retention offer. Banks are terrified of losing high-spending customers, so before you cancel a premium card because of the fee, you should always call them. Often, they will offer you a statement credit or a points bonus just to keep the card open for another year, which can completely offset the annual fee. This game of negotiation is part of the premium card lifestyle. Finally, let us look at corporate competitors like Bricks and Ram. While they do not charge annual fees, they also do not offer the same level of luxury travel perks. They are focused on automation and software integration. So the decision often splits between, do I want luxury travel benefits, which points to Amex and Chase, or do I want operational efficiency and cash back, which points to Bricks and Ram? Ultimately, the question of whether high annual fees are worth it in 2026 depends entirely on your travel volume and your organizational discipline. if you are disorganized and forget to use the credits and let the points expire, then these cards are a trap designed to take your money. But if you are disciplined and strategic and view the annual fee as a membership due for a club that provides thousands of dollars in benefits, then these cards are the most powerful tools in your financial arsenal. Do not be afraid of the high fee, but respect it. Do the math on your specific spending habits and travel plans. And if the numbers make sense, do not hesitate to upgrade your wallet, because the upgrade to your travel experience and your business efficiency will be palpable. Remember that in business, you have to spend money to make money, and sometimes spending $700 on a piece of metal is the smartest investment you can make for your sanity and your success.